So in this video we are going to learn Nachfragen. That means to ask. So before continuing, please read this disclaimer and now we can go on. Was ist das? Means what is that? Das ist ein Apfel. It is an apple. Das ist doch kein Apfel. This is not an apple. Ist das ein Apfel? Ja. Nein. So, is it an apple? Yes. No. Wie heißt das auf Deutsch? Apfel. If you like this video, please hit like button and subscribe to my channel. I also created another WhatsApp group and also I have a Telegram group. The join link is in the description below, and if you want to be a part of my WhatsApp group, you can write me an email. So that's all. Thank you. Bye bye.